Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. It feels so good to be able to record a new video for you all. This video was recorded during my 50 days of consecration and prayer. We had an event that we were planning for at my church, which was our first annual Pentecost festival. So they asked me to do the paint and praise tent because everyone knows I love to paint, and I really enjoy doing paint parties. I do a lot of them at home with my kids and my family, and my church family asked me to assist them with doing that for the Pentecost Festival. So this video was recorded during that time. I had a few people that was helping me. I had a few sweet ladies that were helping me, and I did a quick tutorial to show them how to trace onto a canvas. If anyone knows, a lot of times when I do my paint parties, I do my own canvases. Sometimes I even order my canvases online. It's cheaper to do your own. If you've never done your own, I advise you to. You will save yourself a lot of money. And I researched it, and I learned how to trace using carbon paper. So for anyone that's never used carbon paper before and you want to create your own canvases, this is the video for you. So as always, welcome to another episode of Uniquely Tay. I thank God for allowing me to come back to all of you and to create more DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, fake bakes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So this video, again, like I mentioned, was a pre-recorded video. I recorded this video during my 50 days of consecration. So just stay tuned, and I also attached some pictures to the end so you can see how all the canvases turned out. Love all you. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey ladies, I'm getting ready to show you all how to trace onto the canvas itself. I know that a lot of you, this will be your first time doing it. So it's really simple. Well, it's simple to me, thank the Lord. Pretty much what you would do, you will cut your carbon paper to fit your canvas. And what you will do after that is, well, not really after that, before you actually do your carbon paper, you will make sure this right here is already the correct size. I'm going to give you all a copy of this, and only thing you have to do, it's going to already be cut out and everything. You don't even have to resize it, but that's what you would do. I pretty much just went through and measured the canvas out, and I actually cut my white paper before I drew it on the smaller size. So you will pretty much take your carbon paper. The shiny side will go down. Shiny side down. The white looking side will be up if you're using the black carbon paper. I do not know if the white carbon paper has a shiny back or not, but we will find that out Friday, the Lord's will. So right now I'm using the black. You can do a lot with the black. So we may not even have to use the white because I have a pack of the black right here. And you will take your picture onto the canvas like this. And then I ordered these emboss tools for tracing. I have 2 more of those if anybody want to use those. I think Dollar Tree has them also. But if you're unable to go to Dollar Tree to get them, you can use a pen top. The top for a pen, or you can use a click pen, or you can even use a thin paintbrush, but use the handle instead. And pretty much that's all you're going to do. And then you have to make sure you keep a steady hand while you're doing it. And then you would just start applying pressure. I'm not doing it just yet. But that's all you would do. And you would just keep your hand steady the whole entire time. It's real simple to do. And long as you keep your carbon paper against the canvas and your picture on top, flat and still against the carbon paper, you shouldn't have any problems with it moving. Long you allow the carbon paper and the picture to stay still while you're tracing. So I'm going to start doing this so you all can see. So I'm holding my edges and I'm putting pressure down just like that. But I'm keeping all my papers still at the same time. And that's pretty much what you're going to do. All right. I love all of you. And I'll see you all tonight.